Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be putting on my new wheels. They are VMS Racing Wheels V-star 13x9 and M&H Race Masters 9.5 by 24.5 slicks. As you know, 13s don't fit on my RSX, so I'm going to show you guys what I did to make them fit. So we're going to start by removing the wheel. Now we're going to remove the caliper and the rotor because they won't fit with a 13-inch wheel. So let's see the difference in this rotor and this rotor, which is the base rotor. It's a big difference. Yeah, you can see the difference right there. So the brake shield also have to go in order for my new wheels to fit. So we're gonna put the rotor. It's a RSX Base model rotor, which is smaller than the Type S. And the caliper bracket and caliper from an Integra GSR. Put them on. So now I'm putting the caliper on. So this is the new brake setup to fit the 13-inch wheel. I haven't bought brake pads. I have to order them, so I'm not going to put everything back on. I'm just going to show you guys how the new wheel fit. So there it is. I'm going to spin the wheel so you guys can see the clearance. And I'm going to bring the car up so you guys can see from the inside. There you have it. Barely makes it, but no scratching on the fence, so we're good. So that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to follow me on social media, and if you have any question, you can comment below, and I'll get right back to you. See you guys soon. Thank you for watching.